Hello, my name is Cyril Dupré and I'm the Regional Program Coordinator for Actel in Jordan. So we are very happy because today it was the opening of this new employment center launched by our partner Pialara in Palestine. It was a very important event because this center represents for us a keystone in strengthening the economic empowerment of youth in Palestine. As we know, it's one of the major problems in the country, which is access to jobs, especially for graduates, especially for women, especially for Gaza. So we have so many challenges, and working with youth is one of the strategic axes of Actel in terms of economic empowerment. So we were really happy to have also a delegation from EU coming to the event, because this employment center launched by Pialara is within the framework of a regional project supported by the European Union in Jordan, in Palestine and Lebanon. And in Palestine, the specific focus is on strengthening the skills of youth to have access to jobs and to have access to the labor market. And this is a lengthy process because you need to provide youth not only with opportunities to have access to the private sector, but also to strengthen their skills through simple things like preparing interviews, writing CVs, but also developing their capacities to network, to communicate, and strengthening their own skills, what we call the life skills. It's important for youth to gain confidence in the process of going to the labor market, especially because they're not always aware of what are the requirements from the private sector, and because there is what has been reported as one of the major problems in Palestine, a mismatch between the skills and the educational level of youth and what is required by the private sector. So we have, for example, a lot of companies now working on IT and ICT, which doesn't necessarily correspond to the educational level of youth. So it's really important to follow the process from the beginning till the end. And one point also is that we don't also plan to provide through the centers opportunities of employment, but also of internship, because it's important for the youth. Sometimes if they want to secure long-term employment and not leave after 2 months, to be sure that they know the company, and the company to trust the youth that they can employ, and sometimes doing it through an internship has also quite an impact. In fact, there is 2 employment centers, not only one. It's one in Ramallah and one in Gaza. They are now both functioning, which means that the employment centers are able to start to provide services to the youth, in particular professional trainings on the various aspects of the process of access to the labor market, but also connections with the private sector, and both centers have developed interesting connections with private sector companies in different fields, and also the links with other institutional actors such as universities, such as the Chamber of Commerce, and also other key stakeholders that are involved in the strategy of supporting youth access to jobs. So we are very happy to support Pialara for this exercise based on their long-term experience working with youth, and I think that was important to develop these activities because it's focused on their strategy. It feeds also our strategy to strengthen the economic empowerment of youth and women, and it's also an important role for the EU to support youth in Palestine, both at the level of socio-economic rights and at the level of access to the labor market.